So program number 19. So you have to enter 3-letter word and we'll find out the combination of the word. Like here we have taken top and you exchange the letter and we have made different types of combination of words. So here we are taking the class and the main method, and here string, and here integer type of variables. Here we are using buffer reader for the as an object to create. Now we have created a buffer reader object. So here the system.out.print 3 enter 3-letter word. Since buffer reader we are taking here read line, str equal to in, so it is buffer reader object dot read line. So we have entered the string. So string, let's take, we have taken as top, and here since the same thing we have, it is said to enter in the uppercase, so str dot to uppercase, so that it will not create any problem. Total word particular string will be in the uppercase. Then length p is equal to how much? 3, since length of the p is 3. So this will be displayed on the screen, all possible combination it will be displayed, like here it is displayed. And then let's get here. So I is equal to 0. Yes, 0 is less than 3, condition true, so it will come to this part. So here also 0 is less than 3, condition true, so it will come to this part. K is also 0 is less than 3, p is 3, so it is, so let's write here 3, p value is 3. So it is less than 3, condition is true, so it will come to this if part. If part, it is asking, see, and operators are used, logical operators are used. So if any one of the condition is false, then total condition is false and it is not going to enter to the if statement. So here I is not equal to j. I is not equal to j, no, it is equal to j. So here condition is false. Since this is false, no need of checking here. So it is, again it will go here. Now k is 1, k is 1. So this first it will become, this loop will be false, then only we can come to the outer loop. So k is 1, so again it will come here. So again you see I is equal to j. So in this total loop, when again it will become 2, so 2, so 2 is less than 3, again it will enter here I is equal to j. So again this part the condition is false, so here now k will become 3. So condition is false, so it will come to this for loop. Now here j, so j, this is j and this is the I, so j increase to 1. Now j value is 1, so again k will start from 0, k will start from 0. So k is less than so j is less than 3, so I is 1 is less than 3, condition true, it will come here. So here it is again starting from 0, so here 0. So in the first part I is not equal to j, yes, condition is true, it is not equal to j. Then j is not equal to k, yes, here also condition is true, j is not equal to k. Here you see k is not equal to I, yes, this condition became false because these two are same. So it will not enter to this part, it will come, and here k value now it will change to 1. So now k value is 1, so again it will come here I is not equal to j, yes, it is not equal to j. J is not equal to k, so it is equal to k, condition is false, so it will again not enter because and is the 1 is false, then total is false. So again it will go, now k's value is 2. 2 is less than 3, condition is true, so again it will enter I is not equal to j, yes, condition true. J is not equal to k, j is not equal to k, k is now 2, so condition is true. So next is k is not equal to I, k is not equal to I, again condition true, so it is true, it will come to this statement and it will print str character at I is 0. So 0 position, it is T. So it will print T. Then a space is there. Then str character at J. J is 1. So in the 1 position, what is there? O. So it will type O. So next in the K is character at K. K is what? 2. So in the 2 position, what is there? We are having P. So it will type P. So again it will go. Now K, it is 3. So now again condition false. It will come out of this loop. It will come to the J. Now J value is 2. 2 is less than 3. Condition is true. So it will come to this part. Here again it is going to start from 0. So again K is 0. 0. So it will come here. So I is not equal to J. Yes, I is not equal to J. Condition true. J is not equal to K. J is, so J is 2. 2 is not equal to K. Condition true. Then here K is not equal to I. K is equal to I. So condition false. So here it will not do. So here again it will go to 1. I will change to 1. So here again it will start. Condition is true. So here it will be I is not equal to J. I is not equal to J. Condition true. J is not equal to K. J is not equal to K. Condition true. K is not equal to I. K is not equal to I. Condition true. It will come here. So character at I is 0 position. So 0 position, what is there? T. So it will type T. Next character at J. J is 2. In the 2 position, what is there? P. Then last one is character at K. K's value is 1. So in the 1 position, what is there? O. So you see it is going similar to that T, P, O, isn't? Then it will again it will come to this part. Now K value is 2. K's value 2. 2 is less than 3. So condition true. Again it will come. I is not equal to J. Yes, condition true. J is not equal to K. J is equal to K. So it is not going to enter here. So it will come to this part. Now K will become 3. So condition false. So it will come to J part. J, now J will become what? 3. J will become 3. Again this also condition false. So it will come to I. Now I is going to change to 1. So again condition is true. So again it will enter to this part. So again J will, again it will enter. So J will again start from 0. Because we have came back to the outer loop. So again we will enter inside the J. J is 0. 0 condition true. 0 is less than 3. So it will enter here. Now K is 0. So condition true. It will come to this part. So now I is not equal to J. Yes, I is not equal to J. J is not equal to K. J is equal to K. Condition false. So here it will come. Now K is 1. So condition true. It will come here. I is not equal to J. Condition true. J is not equal to K. Condition true. K is not equal to I. Condition false. It is equal. So it will come to this part. Now K is 2. So again I is not equal to J. Yes, yes, 1. Here 0. Not equal. Condition true. J is not equal to. Yes. Condition true. K is not equal to I. Yes, 1 and 2. It is not equal. So again here it will come. So character at I. I is what? 1. So in the 1 position, what is there? O. So it will type O. Then character at j is 0. So in the 0 position t is there, so we are typing t. Then character at k, so in the k position 2 is there, so it will type 2. In the 2 position p is there, it is typing p. So now again it will, now k will become 3, condition false, it will come to j. Now j is 1, so again it is going to enter to this part. Again k will start from 0. So in this way again this will k will become, j will become 3, and then when I will become total, the loop will complete, so it will come out of the loop, and at that time you will see all this. In the same way you will go on continuing the dry run, and similar way you will see, you will get all the values one after another. Thank you, class.